Prior to the storm, Hurricane Michael, we had asked, friends and relatives, who's the best roofing contractor? And I got the same name over and over, Tadlock Roofing. From the very beginning of my meeting them, everything was extremely professional, and it really put my mind at ease that I had chosen the right company.
Because we do live in an area that gets hit by hurricanes, so it was very important to us to have a roof that we knew we could depend on.
In roofing or any service-oriented field, you have to be passionate about what you do. I want to make sure that a roof gets put on within code, that they're happy with it. It looks great, but it also functions great with hurricanes and any kind of other natural disasters.
Fast forward to Hurricane Michael, we had to leave. It was going to be too bad to take the risk of staying here.
Hurricane Michael hit directly in Panama City, so you're seeing roofs that are ripped off completely, houses that are no longer standing.
My neighbors' homes were, devastated with the roofing damage that was done. We lost a total of 18 shingles. It was a huge relief when we came home and our things were still here.
And this is where I get choked up, but just coming down here and seeing that the roof was still intact and, our belongings weren't strewn all over the yard, it was a huge relief.
And I think that really speaks volumes for the quality of work that was done by Tadlock a year prior. When you know that the roof is all that's between everything you've worked for and what's above it, to have somebody take the time and energy to make sure it's done right with the best materials, we were very fortunate to have a Tadlock roof over our heads.